How to edit videos on NanoBanana AI. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the NanoBanana AI website. After you are in the website, you will see this kind of web interface. Make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to edit the videos, if you scroll down, here you can see the AI editor section. There are two different options, image to image and text to image. So there is no option to upload the videos. NanoBanana is a natural language image editing platform, so it cannot process the videos. You only have the options to upload the image, or you can provide the text prompts and transform it into any image. So you can edit your image over here. You can provide the text prompts in order to transform it into the image, but there is no options to upload the videos. If you select this image to image option, you can see this add image option. Tap on this. You can only select the image from your gallery. After that, in order to edit this, here you can see main prompt option. You can provide the prompt on how you want to edit this, and after that you can tap on this generate now button, and you will have to wait patiently in order to see the output. So that's the only way to edit on NanoBanana AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.